Welcome to the 2021 Excellence in Masonry Awards, presented by the Wisconsin Masonry Alliance.
Hello everyone, my name is Megan Paul and I am the Promotions Committee Co-Chair of the Wisconsin Masonry Alliance. On behalf of the WMA, thank you for watching the 2021 Excellence in Masonry Awards video. Although we cannot be together in person again this year, we truly look forward to seeing everyone next year. I would like to start off by giving a special thanks to the AIA Wisconsin for giving us the opportunity to once again showcase the Excellence in Masonry Awards. I would also like to thank the WMA's strategic partners that help make this awards program and video possible. Thank you to County Materials Corporation, Hellquest Stone Company, Northfield Block, SpecMix, and the Milwaukee Mason Contractors Association for your partnership. This year's Excellence in Masonry projects were judged on the following criteria: design creativity, visual impact and acceptance, inspiring material usage, and lastly, utilization of masonry. Winners were carefully selected by fellow industry professionals Allison Nemec of Quorum Architects, Stacy Keller of Mead & Hunt, and Gary Porter of Construction Robotics. Thank you to these judges for their time and efforts in promoting the masonry industry. Lastly, I would like to thank the WMA Executive Directors Barry Scholes and Jeff Roach, as well as fellow Promotions Committee members for their hard work in this year's awards program. As part of the WMA Excellence in Masonry Awards program, Linda Potter with Homan & Bernard joins us and will provide an educational program entitled The Essentials of Masonry. Linda's program is accredited and registered through the AIA Wisconsin. Please be sure to complete the online survey that will be provided following this morning's program, and we also encourage you to visit the WMA website at www.wma-online.org to keep up with masonry news and events around the state. Once again, congratulations to all of the winners of the 2021 Excellence in Masonry Awards, and we hope you enjoy the video.
We begin the awards with our three 2021 merit winners. Merit recognition for concrete masonry goes to HGA Architects for the Domas Apartments in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was C.D. Smith Construction. The WMA producer and supplier was Northfield Block. Merit recognition for clay masonry goes to Potter Lawson for the Indigo Hotel in Madison, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was Stevens Construction. The WMA producer and supplier was County Materials Corporation. Merit recognition for natural stone goes to Kaylor Slater for the Ripon College Wilmore Center in Ripon, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was The Bolt Company. The WMA producer and supplier was Hallquist Stone. The first award of excellence in the concrete masonry category goes to Kaylor Slater for the Kenneth and Ardice Hiding Community Stadium in Marshfield, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was the Boson Company. The WMA producer and supplier was County Materials Corporation.
So the community stadium project really impressed us with the integrated approach of concrete masonry units throughout all of the structures in the stadium. We really enjoyed the colors and the masonry blends. They were very handsomely applied and reflect a really quality construction project.
The wall of fame they used is impressive. It just looks nice. It has a good feel to be at a football field or a track like this and see this kind of masonry used here.
The repetition of color and texture throughout, as well as the actual detailing of the masonry units, pulled this whole project together.
Congratulations to Kaylor Slater. The next award of excellence is in the clay masonry category and goes to the Cunningham Group for Jules Verne at Epic in Verona, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was J.H. Findorf and Son. The WMA producers and suppliers were County Materials Corporation and Spec Mix.
The Jules Verne project, I think when we first looked at it, established itself as one of the premier projects in the overall portfolio. The glazed tile, the limestone detailing, the concrete work, the windows, and how all of it was so well detailed really stood out to the committee.
The stone tracery was very unique. The dynamic blue glazed units were pointedly used and not overdone. And the project as a whole was playful yet refined.
There's a lot going on in this building. It's something you can do with masonry that you can't do with a lot of other materials, and it looks really cool.
Congratulations to the Cunningham Group. The next award of excellence is in the natural stone category. This goes to Northworks Architects for the Harvest Haven Barn in Fitchburg, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was National Construction. The WMA producers and supplier were Natural Stone Veneers International and Hallquist Stone.
The Harvest Haven Barn, to me, was really successful and probably my favorite project in this award submission. I think the way it's detailed really takes into account the way that stone is traditionally used, and I think that's particularly appropriate in this venue.
It does appear that they used some masonry paving, which was really nicely applied as well, and patterned too to give some dynamics.
It's good color choice to go with the white barn, I think. It's good use of stone. Looks nice.
You can tell that there was a mason that was hand sorting and picking the perfect stone for each piece of every wall. Obviously, it was done by expert masons.
Congratulations to Northworks Architects. The next award of excellence is in the restoration category and goes to Mead and Hunt Incorporated for the University of Wisconsin Stout Bowman Hall in Menominee, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was Ebert Construction. The WMA producers and suppliers were County Materials Corporation, with Glengarry Corporation as the brick manufacturer.
The UW Stout Bowman Hall project is an absolutely stunning restoration.
The brick originally were cast and made in the Menominee area, so we were really challenged to find matching brick. Where we could, we actually tried to turn the faces and use the opposite sides of the brick.
One of the details I like too is there's a picture like they pulled a comb through it. It's ribbed, and it's kind of a unique look. It's not just a smooth surface, it's a irregular surface, and that would be hard to replicate. So they did it. Interesting job. Great restoration project here.
Congratulations to Mead and Hunt Incorporated. The next award is a special award recognizing the late Dennis Wilikowski, who dedicated much of his life to the masonry industry. This year's Dennis Wilikowski Craftsmanship Award goes to the Cunningham Group for the Jules Verne project in Verona, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was J.H. Findorf and Son. The WMA producers and suppliers were County Materials Corporation and Spec Mix.
The Jules Verne project at Epic used clay in a very unique way. We really enjoyed its playfulness.
The way the masons articulated the actual brickwork detailing being integrated perfectly around the building.
The craftsmanship was really unique on how they were able to pattern the different colors of brick and the diamond pattern into the wall system.
The diamond pattern is refreshing. It's fun to see that, and they've got a lot of soldier courses in there, and there's detailing up at the top of the wall.
The windows and how all of it was so well detailed really stood out to the committee.
Congratulations to the masonry craft workers of J.H. Findorf and Son. The final award is our Best in Show project. and goes to Bray Architects for the Bank First National Project in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. The general contractor on the project was Hoffman Planning and Design, with Shelfhout and DeClean as the masonry subcontractor. The WMA producers and suppliers were Natural Stone Veneers International and Fond du Lac Stone.
The Bank First building really stood out for the entire committee. As we looked at how the stone was applied and utilized, it was done in truly a modern way with natural stone.
This was the highest rated of all of the projects that were listed. They have all these different, dimensions of stone in each layer. Looks really cool.
The detailing of the stone to recreate sort of that ledge rock condition makes this bank seem like it will be here forever.
It threaded the stone from the exterior to its interior. The horizontal banding was just on point, and it carried from the adjacent wood banding. It appeared to have been a real team effort between the designers and the construction team. It was just masterful.
Congratulations to Bray Architects. Thank you for being a part of the 2021 Excellence in Masonry Awards, presented by the Wisconsin Masonry Alliance. We would like to congratulate all of this year's award winners and encourage you to continue promoting masonry in Wisconsin. To learn more about the WMA, visit wma-online.org.